Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of Ard Al Zaafaran. Ard Al Zaafaran is another house or brand from Middle East, from United Arab Emirates, and I was one of the first, if not the first, to introduce them to the community around, so I don't know, 6 years, 7 years ago. The Ard Al Zaafaran and the Tafa, I think I was one of the first, if not the first, to introduce them to the community, and now everybody almost know them. So they make amazing fragrances for very reasonable prices. This one in particular I bought, and this one is called Raqi Al Mazaaj, and this is Eau de Parfum 100 ml by Ard Al Zaafaran. I don't know anything about it. There's no information about it. There's no review about it. So it's all about first impression, how it smells, my nose, my experience, and I tell you all about it. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. So very nice designed, beautifully designed box, as always with the Middle Eastern fragrances. They give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price you pay. I paid this under £20. Very pretty box, as I said, nice design to it. And here we go. Oh come on, another seal. I hate it when they do that. For unboxing, this is a headache. Come on. See, that's the problem. I'm going to destroy it. Alright. And look at the bottle. The bottle is very good looking. Almost brown, but you can see through it. Look at that. Attention to detail is amazing. Very heavy bottle. It's about a kilo of bottle, very heavy, and it says Raqi Al Mazaaj on this piece of paper cloth. Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and the cap is very heavy metal, and the atomizer, here we go. Not bad. It's not the best, but it's okay. It does the job. It goes psst, psst, psst. Not too much, not too little. Okay, here we go. First impression for Ard Al Zaafaran Raqi Al Mazaaj, which I think in translate to English, very good taste, or the best of the taste, or something like that. Here we go. First impression. Oh, smells good. First thing it hits me is the vetiver. It's a big vetiver in here, and there's a bitter orange in here as well. So it reminds me of first impression. Don't take this as concrete yet, because it's a first impression. Okay, it reminds me of Terre de Hermes. Yeah, it's like a Terre de Hermes, but a little bit fresher. So imagine Terre de Hermes, but a little bit on the fresher side. But it is, immediately when it hit me, it just took me there. Especially that vetiver combination, that orange and the vetiver, the dirty orange and the vetiver, makes in a very distinctive smell in here. I can smell something musky on the line, and also very aromatic. Okay, so it's changing. First thing hit me was the Hermes, but now it's changing because it's going fresher. So I can smell something aromatic like lavender, very aromatic, very fresh in the middle of it. It's very woody, and the wood here is most likely be cedar wood, because again it's very light, it's very fresh, it's very friendly, there is no oud or anything in here. This is a fresh fragrance, okay? There's nothing in there to make it too heavy or too dark. I can smell some other components like a floral, but I can't pinpoint exactly. Maybe there's a rose in here or a jasmine. There's a white floral aspect to it as well, giving me that fresh, again very light, friendly floral aspect, which is usually to my nose they are like white florals, so probably is orange blossom or jasmine in here. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's nothing out of place, very well done for under £20. Again, it's like a, imagine Terre de Hermes but being fresher and being more aromatic and a little bit more floral and musky, woody, floral. Yeah, so for a first impression, the smell is amazing. It's definitely unisex. Anybody, you know, woman and men can wear it. Is bang in the middle. And also this is I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because Terre de Hermes is a little bit on the challenging side for the young nose. This one is not a straight Terre de Hermes, but it's got aspect of it, especially that earthy vetiver plus the orange. It makes in it maybe, let's say 50% similarity to Terre de Hermes, but the other 50% is aromatic, is very fresh, is very musky, and also floral. I can smell something petroleum, so probably using a lot of violet in here, because violet leaf give it that petroleum feel as well. So there's a violet leaf in here. It could be, or most likely it's there because of that petroleum. Can't smell that leather, but it's a petroleum vibe rather than leathery vibe. Okay, it's got underlying sweetness to it. Sweetness here is mild. 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around 4 to 5, so the sweetness is quite mild and is medium sweetness. It's not too overpowering. It's not one of those fragrances that's too sweet, so it's very, very subdued. The sweetness is very subdued. It's got a fizziness to it, like a peppery fizziness, which is again Terre de Hermes that has that one, because when it opens up very fizzy, orangey, dirty, and it's just a combination of like the leather, the vetiver orange, and also that fizzy feel which is come from spices. It's quite spicy as well, but it's not again too overpowering. It's just a mild one. But overall, it smells very, very good. I'll let you know in the next video the development, longevity, and things like that. If it lasts, we've got a banger on our hand. It smells amazing. It smells very good, especially for warmer weather. This is definitely summer and autumn and spring. So summer, autumn, spring feel to it. 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again it's quite, it's got a little bit of challenging, maybe that dirty vetiver, little bit of spiciness. And if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything, but I would recommend 25 and up. This is, you can use it formal, informal, so it's very versatile. Evening, day, you can dress it up, dress it down, and it smells very good, as Terre de Hermes is. So to take away from this video, 50% Terre de Hermes, 50% very aromatic, very floral, musky, spicy feel to it. Okay, yeah, it's very good. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. And if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are super artistic, out of this world, super long lasting, very good value for money, 100% natural, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in there as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.